Hello, good evening all of you. Good evening. How are you guys doing? I welcome all of you on India's largest live learning platform, that is Gradeup, guys. I welcome all of you on India's largest live learning platform, that is Gradeup. First of all, just let me know, guys, is audio video clear? Just let me know that, guys, is audio video clear? Is audio video clear? So guys, I have a small announcement for you, that is basically from tomorrow onwards. From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to take the session of BMC and CPM, Construction Planning Management in GATE Champion Study Plan. In your GATE Champion Study Plan, that is 120 days crash course from tomorrow onwards. I'll be meeting you at 11 a.m. on our Gradeup app and at 6:30 on our YouTube. And this is the only address where you'll find all my videos. Agreed? So I hope you'll be joining tomorrow myself at 11 a.m. on Gradeup app, and basically from tomorrow onwards, basically at 6:30 p.m. on Gradeup GATE English channel, basically 6:30 p.m. that is the time. So guys, please record that time. Please record that time. Agreed? Clear? So is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? So if there are any doubts, you guys can let me know. Further, let me introduce myself. I'm Ankit Sharma, an Ex IES officer having more than 12 years of teaching experience. Further, next one, these are our vision batches going on, guys, and this is the most appropriate time. And if you delay it afterwards, then basically you'll be at the loss. Then basically you'll be in hurry to complete the course. This is the most appropriate time to go for GATE, which is on the 5th of February, and basically ES altogether, which is on the 20th of February. Agreed, guys? So basically, what are the batches available for you? Basically, we have 2022 English batch, we have 2022 Hindi batch, we have 2023 Hindi English batch. And in these batches, what do you get, guys? You have 950 plus hours of live classes, more than 8,000 practice question, more than 120 mock test, and more than 120 chapter wise notes. If you have any issue in this, then what you can do, basically to avail all these facilities, you have to go for Gradeup Super subscription. You have to go for Gradeup Super subscription. And if you have any issue in this, you can call on this number, that is 9650052904. You can call on this number. Further, guys, this is our core group of faculties. This is our champion study plan in which I am contributing my portion, that is BMC and CPM, from tomorrow onwards. So do join me. Do join me, guys. Further, after that, basically these are our test mega mock challenge. So basically this is the test available for you. This is the test available for you. This is the test available for you. These are all tests which are live right now, and please do attempt them. Good evening. Good evening. Vasuji, good evening. Imonji, good evening. Good evening. Good evening, brother. Further, guys, this is the very big offer for you right now. Very good offer for you right now. That is basically big bang sale. And if you use code BIG50, BIG50, then without any condition, you will be getting flat 50% off on Gradeup Super. There is no condition, there is no star mark you can see over here. There is a flat 50%. There is a flat 50% off on Gradeup Super. So guys, it's a very good opportunity to grab it, and this is the most appropriate time to enroll for the courses, right? And after this, you will get late. So now, basically, what is the syllabus of BMC and CPM? Let me tell you. Basically, in case of BMC, we have only two topics which are being asked in the GATE. Basically, the topic which is mentioned in the GATE, that is only our concrete. But in case of concrete, we have many things, that is cement, water, aggregate. So basically, I will divide it into two portions. One is cement, and another is concrete, right? And all together, how much is the weightage of this? Basically, you get somewhere around 2 to 5 marks. I'm not telling questions, 2 to 5 marks out of 100 marks. 2 to 5 marks out of 100 marks. And guys, these are very small chapters. So basically, these are very helpful. Very helpful. Nagendra ji, hello. Hello, Nagendra ji. Further, in case of CPM, again you have very less chapters. That is, one is project management, one chapter. Second chapter, fundamentals of network diagram. Network diagram. Third chapter, that will be your PERT, project evaluation review technique. Fourth chapter, that will be critical path method, CPM. Fourth chapter, CPM, right? And fifth chapter, that will be crashing. So I'll be covering all these chapters for you guys. And again, the weightage of this in the exam, is 2 to 5 marks. The weightage of this in the exam is 2 to 5 marks. So guys, these topics are the topics of less duration and their weightage in the exam is on a higher side. If you check the weightage, their weightage, Reddy ji, good evening. If you check their weightage, basically on per hour basis, how many hours you are studying and how many hours output you are getting. Like basically, if you study this, basically this will be nearly approximately 15 hours course. It is approximately 15 hours course, and this is also approximately 15 hours course. 15 hours course. In ESC, beyond this, there is resource allocation, updating, engineering economy, AON diagram, and over here in ESC, there are certain other topics like brake, timber, brick masonry, unreinforced masonry, lime, mortar. So guys, these topics are not available over here. That's why the duration is less over here. Agreed? So these topics are very useful. You can check that basically their weightage is basically 15 hours divided by 5 marks, or let me put it other way, it will be better for you to understand. 5 marks by 15 hours. So you will be getting the output 1 mark approximately per 3 hours. Right, 1 mark per 3 hours. Similarly over here, 5 marks divided by 15 hours. So basically again the ratio is 1 mark per 3 hours. And guys, the point is this, these topics are very easy to understand. Got the logic? Clear? Rohit ji has written something. Let me, sir, CPM part is same for GATE and ESC. No, I have told you already. I am attending these classes to learn at least some topics which are common in GATE and ESC, sir. Okay, basically I have already told you, Reddy ji, I have already told you. Apart from these topics, in ESC we have AON diagram, resource allocation, updating. Agreed? And these are very small topics. And after that, one major topic, that is engineering economy and construction equipments. These are couple of topics which are major topics. Similarly, in case of BMC, other than this GATE portion, we have other things in the syllabus, and that is what your brick, timber, brick masonry, lime, mortar and unreinforced masonry. These are the topics. Again I am repeating, I have told it earlier in the start of the lecture. So these are the topics which are apart from the GATE syllabus. Agreed? So is there any doubt from your side, guys? Let me know, or let me finish the session and meet you tomorrow at 11 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. 11 a.m. the class is on Gradeup app, and 6:30 basically the class is on our YouTube, this very own address, right? Yes, Adarshi ji, I have taught CPM in Gradeup Super. I have taught CPM in Gradeup Super. I have taught BMC also over there. I have taught survey also over there. I have taught irrigation. My irrigation classes are scheduled just I guess from Thursday onwards they will start. Again, I have taught it couple of times. I have taught BMC just a few days back. I have finished BMC. Batch, brother, I don't remember exactly. You can just check. You can just follow me and check over there. Batch, I don't remember exactly which batch it was. It was a Hindi batch I have taught. In English batch again I'll teach. After some point of time in English batch again I'll teach. Sir, I am in last year now. I am okay. Last year of college, right? Last year of college, Vignesh ji. Preparing for GATE and ESE, but confused on which I focus more, please, sir. Vignesh ji, first I will tell you to focus on GATE, and rest you can devote the fortnight in the revision for the ESE. But if you ask me exactly, I will tell you to focus on both of them. I will suggest you to focus on both of them, because after GATE the time will be very less to prepare for ESE. There is only 14 days difference, fortnight. In those fortnights you cannot complete the syllabus, or you cannot read the subjects. Rather you can just revise them, or you can read 1 or 2 topics of GS. That's it. That's the maximum you can do from yourself. I shall not lie to you. You cannot read any subject other than 1 or 2 subjects of GS, right? So you have to complete the whole syllabus simultaneously for ESE and GATE. ESE and GATE. So you can basically prepare for both the exams simultaneously. It's a golden chance. Further, sir, will you make any subjects also? Will you make any other subject also in this crash course? Yes, definitely I will teach other subjects also in this crash course. Don't worry, Adarshi ji. Adresh ji, don't worry. Vignesh ji, as I told you, you have to prepare for both the exams simultaneously, and it is good in one way. It is good in one way. It is good in one way. Any more doubt, guys? And how many of you are joining me tomorrow? 11 AM in Champions study plan of Gradeup app, and 6:30 PM on Gradeup GATE English channel. How many of you are joining me tomorrow? Kindly let me know. Kindly let me know. Adresh ji, basically it is the decision of the whole team, the availability of whole team, because we are busy in the paid batches also, and we don't compromise them. We don't compromise them at all. Right? So basically it is the availability and necessity of the team, and then we come to these courses. Then we come to these courses, right? I've already told you, Reddy ji, those topics will not be covered. I have already told you. Okay, very good, guys. The book you can go for UK Srivastav, Construction Planning Management by UK Srivastav. That is the best book. And for BMC, you can go for Dougal Sir's book. Dougal Sir's book. That is sweet and sufficient. That is sweet and sufficient. And UK Srivastav's book is also sufficient. UK Srivastav's book is also sufficient. Right? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt in your mind? Welcome, welcome, Reddy ji, welcome. Any doubt in your mind, guys? Any more questions from your side? Otherwise, let's join at 11 AM in the morning. Otherwise, let's join at 11 AM in the morning. Any more doubt, guys, in your mind? If you have certain questions that you cannot ask me right now, definitely you can ask me those questions from tomorrow onwards also, as I'll be taking class in Gradeup app and as well as in YouTube. So you can ask me question. Feel free, guys, feel free. Definitely, Reddy ji, definitely. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night. Which subject? 11 AM. First BMC cement I'll be teaching. BMC cement I'll be teaching. Adresh ji, BMC Cement I will be teaching. So guys, that's all for today. Let's meet you tomorrow. 11 a.m. on Gradeup app. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. Good night everyone. Over and out from my side. Thank you very much guys. Good night.